Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I want to show you how to use rolling to stretch out your pectoralis. So we're going to use rolling to stretch out our chest muscles today, and we're going to do this lying on the floor. And so typically when rolling, we can use a lower body roll to roll over to our backs, and we can work this from side to side. And just doing this in itself is a gentle way to start opening up the chest. But what we're gonna do to put more emphasis on this is I'm gonna take one hand and put it down here like so. So we're lengthening this way. And now I'm gonna take this top hand and shift it a little bit over to the side. And I'm gonna take my right leg and start reaching back, and I'm gonna look at it and see where I'm touching. And I'm gonna feel a nice stretch right there up in my chest. And so then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna swim those arms back to the other side, and I'm gonna take my opposite leg and I'm gonna reach with that leg, and you're gonna feel a big lengthening, stretching sensation running down through your chest, down through your arm, through your chest. And then we're gonna come back. And again, so I can take this hand, put it out, put this hand down. I can also rotate over and watch the leg. Now it's different. And when I rotate over to watch the leg, I actually increase the stretch in my chest, which do this gingerly. Explore where you can move. Don't be aggressive with this, all right? Don't be aggressive, be curious. So now I'm gonna watch this leg and I'm gonna rotate around and follow it. And you're gonna have a very wonderful lengthening, stretching sensation in your pectoralis. And here you can actually just hang out and breathe. So we're just breathing and just kind of relaxing into that nice lengthening, stretching sensation. Then we're gonna swim back around and lengthen, roll, and breathe. So from the side, just in case you want to see from the side, it's going to look like this. And remember, we can start this out just gently rolling. And this in itself, I mean, it's gentle. And you're gonna have lengthening. And then we can watch where we're spotting the foot and gently do lower body rolls. And then we can actually rotate around our eyes and our head with the foot. And that increases the stretch a little bit more as I speak into my microphone. So we're watching around. Anyway, this is how you use rolling to really lengthen and open up your muscles through here, your chest. Some of us might get tight. We're always here, or we just do stuff that make us tight. A lot of push-ups, a lot of bench press, a lot of stuff. Anyway, this is a great way to use rolling to discover how to lengthen your muscles out. Feels good, it does feel good, but remember, be gentle with yourself. Allow yourself to explore. Don't treat it as pass-fail, don't be aggressive with it. Just see where you can move and see what you find. All right, that's our simple tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.